pretty bad, still get up on my own 2 feet. I always believed that I was free, that I had some sense of integrity that would rise above whatever tried to change me. But honey, now I won't wait for something to bring me round and smile, 'cause that only sticks for a while, then I'm back again. Oh, I'm a master pretender. I always knew that I was young, but with a head held high and a sharp tongue, I could fool most anyone. I never expected to be struck by the fatal hands of fortune or by sheer bad luck. But now we won't change, and memories just rearrange and fall into place. So I'm back again. Oh, I'm a master pretender. Are the streets of New York City sure look pretty from way up here? And I was headed home, just felt more alone the further I'd go. I always thought that you'd be here, but shit gets fucked up and people just disappear. So honey, now